Namaste, welcome to Sesame kitchen. Today I am making Namak para. It is a very easy and simple snack recipe that you can make for festivals or any time as a tea time snack. If these homemade snacks are available for kids, they can stay away from the junk. To make Namak para, I have taken 2 cups of whole wheat flour. You can also make it with all-purpose flour or maida, but wheat flour is a better option. Here I have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. I am going to crush these between my palms to release the flavor and add them to my wheat flour. Some salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. A few finely chopped curry leaves. Mix all of them once. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee or melted butter. I really like to add the ghee because it gives a wonderful taste. After adding the ghee, you should be able to hold the flour like that. If you are not able to hold, you need to add more ghee. Now add water little by little and make it into a tight dough. I want to thank all of you for watching my videos, liking them and sharing them. Your comments are really appreciated. Do you know that I have a Telugu channel also? If you haven't looked at it, please do visit. They are good recipes and if you like them, you can subscribe also. When the dough is ready, cover it and let it sit for half an hour. After half an hour, divide the dough into 4 portions. Take 1 portion into your hands. Knead it again. Put it on the rolling board. Flatten it with the help of a rolling pin. Now cut it into your desired shapes with the help of a pizza cutter or a knife. I cut them into diamond shapes. Curry leaves added a nice flavor to my Namak para. They are not too thin or too thick. Take all of them into a plate. Continue the same process with the remaining dough. I heated some coconut oil on medium heat for deep fry. Add some cut diamonds into the oil carefully and fry them. Fry them on medium heat. If the flame is on high, they get burned quickly. Stir them in between. When they get light golden color, remove them from oil and transfer them into a paper napkin. And fry the remaining diamonds. You will get nice crispy, uniform colored diamonds by frying them on medium heat. These are so tasty with cumin seeds, carom seeds and sesame seeds. You can store them in an airtight container for up to 3 weeks. Try this recipe and enjoy the crispiness. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like my Facebook page.